Hello friends and welcome to the vlog. Hi ba? Hi ate. So today pupunta kami, we are going to do ukay-ukay. Pupunta kami ng ukay-ukay sa ano lang yung shoes na ukay-ukay, hindi yung, but I don't know if makakapunta kami sa. Why is it that every time I talk to the camera, Miguel starts to cry? Yun. Hindi ko alam if we're going to go to clothing ukay-ukay, but for sure pupunta kami sa shoes na ukay-ukay. Ay, laki saba. Ayaw saba ba? So, yun guys, oh my god, I have powder on my lips. Ayan, bumalik na naman yung yung bigote ko guys, di ba? I don't know, it's weird. Kasi, kailan ba yun? Bigla na lang siyang nawala yung yung bigote or mustache ko dito na sweat mustache. Ito yung part na nagsisweat ng bonggang-bongga. So, I don't know what happened, or maybe my hormones are getting high because yeah, I think so. Kasi nung time na mataas yung hormones ko, yeah, meron din akong ganito. I don't know because I'm not taking medication right now. Yeah, I've stopped. I took a break from medication, so yan. But it's nothing serious, guys. Hindi naman yan serious. Okay lang yan. At least may bigote ako. Yan. But sometimes it looks so annoying. Kasi 'di ba, oh, tingnan nyo dito, tapos may line talaga dito. Tapos I could really feel the sweat here sa bigote ko. So today is just a simple, wow, bakit may bagong pimples. Ayan, my forehead has dramatically improved. Only scars are left. So happy about that. Soon I'm going to share to you what I did. I did a hack on how I remove my forehead pimples, but yeah, ang daming suggestions ng mga friends ko on how I remove my pimples, and hindi ko pa na-try yung iba. Hindi ko pa talaga na-try. But because I'm doing, kasi before sila nag-suggest, I already been doing some hacks on how to remove or to at least minimize my forehead breakout. But surely I will be going to try that dito naman. Kasi iba naman yung situation dito sa mouth area ko. Diba? As you can see, I have, this one is already a scar and I have a new one. And also here. So those suggested treatments that my friends suggested, I'm going to try that on this area here. But so far I'm happy with what is going on my forehead. Yung scars na lang yung itatakol natin, guys. So yeah, I'm just waiting for them. I don't know kung kailan. It's already 12:30 na, almost 12:30, pero mainit. Yeah, it's just the three of us that is going to the ukay-ukay. Kasi si Ruki is, meron siyang gagawin. And I am wearing my heart-shaped necklace today. Matching earring. Smiley. Yan. Oh, you cannot see Smiley. Kita nyo ba, guys? Ayan, basta yan si Smiley. Yung earrings ko. Di nyo nakikita si Smiley. Yan, kita na ba? Yan. So Miguel is really looking at me. So I'm just going to let my hair air dry because I have a lot of falling hair again. Probably because of the hormone again. Yeah, probably. So excuse the hair, guys. Ganyan lang tayo muna para maging healthy yung hair natin. So grabe, ang haba na yung pag ko, yaw ko. It's been like mga 4 minutes na sa clock. So I'm gonna see you later na lang, okay? I'm gonna show you what we got from ukay-ukay. See you later! Guys, tingnan niyo rin yan. And if you can see it, so girls. And now it's dying! maingay. There is a music, so I'm here at Jollibee. Guys, gabi na. Excuse this face. Ewe. Dami kong yak-yak, but still I'm eating this. Ice cream.
It's
Cake
online.
pala. Me and Baba, ha? It's all yours. Grabe ka naman.
It's
Magbibigay
online.
lang sa akin. And then,
It's online.
coffee. And then, I'm watching my vlog, guys. That is candy ba?
Candy.
School na naman bukas, no? After 3 days, Yasumi. Supposedly, dapat
Kalami,
4
anak
days
na
na
naman.
Yasumi. Oh yeah, pati the corner. Saan ba to? Oh. Ah, ito pala yung in-upload ko today na vlog. So, yan. Kahit marami na yung mga friends ko sa face ko, kain pa rin ng ice cream. So, today...
Ice cream?
Oh, not ice cream. Cake din. Sorry naman ba? Cake pala. Ano ice cream man dyan ako isulti. So, yun nga. Pumunta kami ng okay today, but hindi na ako nakapag-film doon kasi busy kami. Tapos, ang init doon, guys. Grabe no ba no? Init kaya ba no? Tapos, this is TMI. Baba's tummy. So, makit yung tummy ni Baba. Kaya, yan. And then, as usual, si Baba, uwi na. Tapos kami ni ate, namimili pa kami ng mga churbanes. So, may nakita kami and, yeah, shoes. May nabili kami. But I don't know if okay na. Pero murang-mura lang naman. But, they're going to try to use it. But if it's not okay, then I'm gonna buy them another shoes. No ba, no? We're gonna go sa SM na lang if it will not be okay yung shoes na yun. Yeah, we'll buy another or doon sa Colonnade kasi may mga magagandang shoes naman doon na medyo mura lang tapos okay din. Ayan, so I think we bought mga pants ni ate but nilabahan ko pa guys. Tsaka yung mga sapatos I already washed them. Na sila, naka-dry. And yun. I'm gonna show you mga lookbook siguro. Ate wearing the pants we bought, diba? Ate is going to be our model, hopefully. Kasi, yeah. And then, I need to adjust the waistline din ng
Lol.
Kasi, parang medyo maluwang yung mga yung mga pants na jeans na nabili namin. Kasi, hindi pwedeng i-fit na walang fitting room doon. Hindi pwedeng fit, kaya, the way we fit it is nasa ilalim yung shorts namin kaya 'di ba imagine that na may sapaw basta may sapaw namin suot din namin yung shorts namin while fitting the pants ha translate caption i-caption daw obsessed si Baba sa caption kasi we were watching Laura Lee's video tapos may have you watched guys may apology video of Laura Lee. Kawawa naman siya but I don't know what to say about her. I just don't know what to say. Yun nga lang nakakatawa tingnan yung counting ng subscriber niya kasi grabe first time ko nakakita na na bumababa talaga as in walang 1 second as in bumababa yung counting ng subscribers ni Laura Lee. Oh my God, 4.7 na. And look at the comments. Wow, she was better off laying low.
Damn.
This is John Cookcan's channel. Cookyan. Ayan, grabe. Oh my God, poor girl. Kawawa naman si Laura Lee. Grabe, hinay. Yun nga, we were watching yung may apology video niya. Tapos yun, may caption, yung English tsaka UK caption. Tapos natatawa kami kasi. Yun. I don't know. Maybe it's not right to laugh at other people, but I don't know. I don't know the real story behind Laura Lee. Yeah, if she was really bad or not, well, it's up to her. Yeah. Basta, nasa kanya na yun. Yan. Yun lang. So, yun lang yung ginagawa namin tonight. We're eating and we're getting ready for school. And yeah, nothing else. So, mag-good night na ako, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day today, as always. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. And we will see you on our next video. Good night.